Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is a Nissan Maxima 2011-12. You notice here I'm going to start the car. Everything look okay, but I see here airbag light is blinking. So let's go to the diagnosis section. This is immobilizer section. I'm going to close it, escape, and I will go to diagnose section. Stay with us. Okay, I am here now. I gotta go to diagnose. I just want to know how long it take. VIN by VIN number, auto detect. It will not take longer. Okay, Nissan US. You're gonna see the VIN number. That's the VIN number. Information. Say okay. And here is the car, Maxima 835, North America. Say yes. So I'm just gonna go to diagnose, control unit, and from the control unit I want to go to airbag here to see what code we have. Just read the code quick. We have 1 minute. Okay, we have right side module open, occupant sensor control communication fault. All these are passed. The occupant sensor is on the seat, and the right side module open. Right side module, I don't know what that means, but by analyzing the code it will tell you what it is. So I'm gonna try to escape this and then erase it. Say yes. Say yes. If this is a history, it will go away. Okay, I'm gonna try to turn the ignition off. Ignition on, airbag light is there. Always when you have history, gone. Nothing is there. 2 minutes. If they come back again, then we know that there is a problem in that section. No code now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. I don't know what they have on the special function. Change the parameter. I don't want to do nothing there. See you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you for watching.